Hello student, welcome to today's question of the day. Today is the 27th April and we are going to discuss another important question from the topic SQL function. So let's see the question first. So the question is on your screen. The question is of the 4 marks and I am going to read out this question first and then we will solve this question. Okay. So Anuj, a database analyst, has created the following table. Its name is soft drink and it has 4 columns: D code, D name, price and calories, and you need to predict the output of the following queries. So there are 4 queries in this question and you need to predict the output of these queries one by one. Okay, so let's see the question and see the solution. Oh, this question has internal choice also. So first I will discuss this portion of the question, then we will see the internal choice. So the first query is given here: select sum of price. We need to calculate the sum of price from the table soft drink, where condition is mentioned here. So it is important to filter out the rows as per the where condition. So where the D name is Aam Panna, or the D name is mango juice. Wherever the name of the D drink is Aam Panna, so here in this row the drink name is Ampana, so Ampina will also come in the output, and D name mango juice, so mango juice is also there. So these two row will only considered for calculating the sum of price. Okay, so sum of price will be calculated only for these two rows because of this where condition. So we need to calculate the sum of price from the soft drink table where drink name is Ampanna or drink name is mango juice. So both these rows price will be summed up. So 20 plus 10, what is the price? 30.00. So its output will be 30.00. Okay. Second question. Second question is select maximum of price. We need to select the maximum of price and then add it with the minimum of price from the soft drink table, where calories is equal to 120. So here we are only interested into those rows whose calorie is 120 only. Okay, other rows we are not interested. Okay, so I am here marking those rows whose calorie is greater than 110. So this calorie is greater than 110, this calorie is greater than 110, this calorie is greater than 110. So all these calories are greater than 110. So we will consider all those rows and we need to first calculate the minimum of the price and then maximum of the price and then add up those values. So minimum of price is here. What is the minimum price? So here it is 15 or 10. 10 is the minimum. And what is the maximum price? Maximum price here is 25. So 10 plus 25, that will be 35, will be in the output of this question. Now we will see the third query. Because of this where condition, sorry, there is a mistake I have made. I have read it greater than, okay, by mistake, but it is clearly written as equals to 120. Oh, sorry. So it is a big mistake I have made. So you should not make that big mistake in your examination, otherwise you will lose marks. So I have seen it timely. Okay, so what it is asked actually, where calories equals to 120. So only this row will be considered because the condition is given here where calories is equals to 120, not greater than. I have considered greater than in last time while solving it, that's why I have made mistake. So here minimum will be what? Minimum of price will be what? 20, and maximum of price will be what? 25, because these two rows only in these two rows only we need to calculate minimum and maximum. In the last case what happened, we have considered all the rows, that's why the minimum was 10 and maximum was 25, but here it is little bit different. So output will be 45 instead of 35. Remember this was the mistake I have made, and if you will make such mistakes, your marks will be gone. Okay, so let's see the third query. Select upper of the D name from the soft drink where calories is greater than 110. This is the query we need to solve. Okay, in the previous question I have read this condition instead of this, that's why I have made mistake. So now we need to convert the uppercase, the drink name we need to convert it into the uppercase for those rows whose calories is greater than 110, strictly 110. So all the calories are given in this question are greater than 110. That's why the upper function will be applied on every row of this column D name. So upper of D name will be, what will be the output? So lime and lemon. So lime and lemon. So it will be lime and lemon. Then apple juice. Everything will be in uppercase. Remember this. Okay. Apple juice, and then we have nature, nature nectar, nature nectar, and then we have green mango, green mango. Okay, and then we have aam panna. So everything we need to put in this uppercase. Again mango juice. Okay, okay, so this much. So this will be an output. Okay, everything will be in uppercase. I have written one row last row here only. Okay, now we will see the fourth query. So I am roughing all those and writing the output for fourth query. Fourth query, select average of calories from the top rank. So we need to calculate the average of these calories where condition is not mentioned, so average will be computed on all the rows. So how we calculate the average? You know, average of calories will be calculated as add all those values, 120 plus 120 plus 115 plus 140 plus 145 plus 160, or add all those values and divide by number of rows. So here 6 number of rows are there, so we need to add first like 240 plus here 275 plus here we will have 14 285 and divide by 6, we are adding it up. So 0 1 8 7 8 15 16 and 14 20 0 2 and then 2 4 6 8 800 divided by 6. So it will be around 6 1 ja 6 6 3 ja 18 and again 6 3 ja 18.33. So 133.33 will be the average of this calories column. So that will be in output. Okay, so this way you can easily solve this fourth query. So we need to predict only output for these queries, so we have already solved it. I hope you got the point, and if you still didn't get, you may ask in comment box. Now we will solve this or portion of this question also. Or portion is given here. You may attempt the above question, or you may attempt this question. So he is asking the same question and a little bit different way. Based on the above given table, soft drink, Anuj has executed the following queries. So he has executed these two queries and he is getting different outputs. You need to first predict the output and then you need to justify these outputs. Okay, so the first I am giving the output. Select count star from soft drink. It is a very simple count star function, gives the total number of rows in this soft drink table. So how many number of rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of rows are there. Remember, while giving the output of the count star, don't count the header as a row. Sometimes student makes mistakes and write the 7 here, but here count star output will be 6 only, because you must not consider this header as in the output of count star. Okay, now count of calories. Count of calories, what will be the output of the count of calories from the soft drink where price is greater than 10 only. Here we need to consider this condition, price greater than 10, those rows only we need to count. So here the price is greater than 10, here the price is greater than 10, here the price is greater than 10, greater than 10, here up to here price is greater than 10, but 10 will not become in output because 10 is not greater than 10, so its count will be 5 only. Okay, so for 5 rows the value of this price is greater than 10, that's why this is coming in output. Now you need to proper justification for the first query. For the first query, the output will be 6, because it counts the total number of rows, total number of rows in soft drink table. Okay, soft drink table. And in the second query, due to condition in where clause the count will be 5 only because one row will be excluded as its price is not greater than 10. Okay, you will write in not greater than 10. That way you can explain the reason for this justification, so that way you can easily answer this question. I hope you got the output, how we got the output 6 and 5, and I have justified it in English language. You may write it in and practice. Okay, so that way you can solve this question very easily. Thank you so much. I hope you got the answers. If you didn't get the answer, you just comment on the video section, or you may watch my videos from the playlist on the aggregate functions. Okay, and if you like this video, please press on the like button, share it with your classmates so that everyone can get benefited. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.